So he goes up in this big spaceship, and he's got this portal window, and he's looking out of it, and he sees the curvature of the Earth for the first time.
Hi everyone, welcome to Nanjing University. My name is Rebecca in English and Huangjie in Chinese. I'm from Hunan province.
Ni hao and hello, and welcome to Nanjing University. My name is Charles from the city of Hong Kong.
And my name is Zhou Xingyue from Huai'an, Jiangsu province.
My name is Stella from Hetian,
We are
Xinjiang.
proud our university is one of the highest ranked in China and one of the most respected in the world.
We are students from NJU School of Journalism and Communication.
And among schools of this kind, we are honored to be ranked among China's very best.
Our students are training to become important communicators in many ways. We hope you can visit our school in person.
But for now, please allow us to introduce you to some of our talented students.
Hello, my name is Outer Smith, and I'm not leave this book waiting for you to just breathe.
Hello, 你好, my name is Dina in English and Li Sitian in Chinese. I'm from Nanjing, which is located in the east part of China, not very far from Shanghai.
Hello, 你好. My name is Annie in English and He Xinyan in Chinese, which means bright and nice. I'm from the city of Chongqing, which is the central city of southwest China. It is famous for rugged and mountainous landscape and spicy food.
I know I was born in 2001 in Hong Kong, and in the last century, that means the 20th century, Hong Kong is famous for its fashion industry and identify. So maybe because of Hong Kong.
Hello, I'm Monster, and my Chinese name is Du Yiqi, a sophomore of journalism and communication in Nanjing University. I come from Shenzhen, Guangdong province, which is located in the southeast coastal area of China. It is famous for its rapid development during 1980s, when the opening up and reform policy has just begun to be conducted, as people call it the city that rises in one night.
Hello, 你好. My name is Lumi in English and Wang Yiqian in Chinese. I'm from the city of Tianjin, which is located in the northeast part of China and is famous for crosstalk, a kind of traditional art where performers talk, joke, imitate, and even sing on stage. So every people from Tianjin are always optimistic and humorous.
Hello, my name is Rachel in English and Liu Leicen in Chinese, which means a blooming flower on the top of a high mountain. I am from the city of Jiangxi province, which is located in the middle part of China. It is also the hometown of scientist Yuan Longping.
Здравствуйте. 你好. 你好.
你好吗? Apa kabar? How are you? 好犀利喎.
Elegir el español como mi especialidad es porque encontré resonancia con la etnia mágica del continente latinoamericano, que compartimos una fuente infinita de imaginación.
Hello, my name is Janice. 我的中文名字是林杰妮。저는 20살이에요.
Saya berasal dari Klang, Malaysia. 是自己最好嘅同一個多元文化嘅國家。
Also, I got this ability to speak 中文, Ruski, and English.
Hello, 你好, 안녕하세요. 你好, selamat datang.
Hello, 안녕하세요. My name is Tak Yang Ho, both in English and Korean, and Xu Yan in Chinese.
And one of my favorite is hip-hop dancing. I enjoy expressing my thought and attitude into choreography.
My greatest strength is never giving up learning.
Because only by constantly learning can we master more skills and become better ourselves. I think I am a dancing queen. You know, I have danced for more than 12 years, so of course I'm so good at dancing.
I've been in love with dancing since I was young, and I've been a professional dancer, teacher, choreographer, and performer for many years now.
我说我怎么会听这种人的歌呢 ？4 a.m. 他喊你起个酒吧，他难道不觉得他身边的牛臭吗
I like listening to music during my free time. I can play a little bit of piano and I also like singing.
I was getting kinda used to being someone you love.
I love singing.
My heart will go on, yeah.
望君的经过故乡，好久深圳，闻寂寞，我天门装着凌云，想当年。
I played the guitar, singing, and photography. Last summer, my classmates and I even released our first original song on a music platform. So, if I joined a culture and creativity company, I could also compose sounds and produce videos for them.
Sometimes I do some dubbing.
Find out an exciting spot of what's under Mabel's bandage.
Wow, Papa, that was epic. Whoever saved you, I love them.
Roy 现在在打仗，因为你快要离开了，因为你觉得必须在2天内度过你的整个一生。
I like pictures because they can express my emotions more intuitively and strongly. I have created a lot of artworks to mark my life, and they are also derived from real life.
We humans are so tiny and fragile compared to our Earth and the whole universe. I've been thinking of it for a long time, until I had my own cat.
Good at both the photographing and modeling, and I like going to many different places and taking many pictures, and I also welcome people to take pictures for me.
I'm also skilled at using Photoshop and Illustrator to make posters. I made my first poster in my junior school.
Eating with computer is relaxing and inspiring.
I can shoot fabulous videos and documentaries.
What makes me outstanding? You can find me learning all day in the library, interviewing with dead salt, editing skillfully at the TV station, holding a camera to record the world, performing a shining hostess on the stage, and volunteering to teach on the platform.
Besides, there are some special skills in me. I can use some Adobe software such as Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign Premiere Pro. This software help me a lot in my work.
I can skillfully master new media editing tools such as AI, PS, and PR. I can also take photos and make videos.
And I love children. I want to be a person who close to children and can help them in every aspect.
I want to be a fashion editor in the future. As you guys can see, now I'm wearing some shirt, like some special shirt, like quite a fashion.
I suppose being an international journalist requires one to adapt different environment and meet different people.
So for my future, I want to continue to study in infographic design and find a job in a news visualization media. After earning enough money, I want to open up a coffee shop and design a dome by myself.
As a foreign language learner, I've always wanted to become a professional translator. It's mainly out of my personal interests because I really enjoy the process considering the wording and phrasing. And also, I want to become one of the bridges between China and other countries.
In the future, I want to pursue career in journalism or public relations because I really enjoy the process of communication between people.
My dream is to become an on-camera reporter of culture and art program. Because I really have a deep love for splendid human civilization, and I have passion for telling stories to others.
Creative, inclusion, and enthusiasm.
Outgoing, rational, and considerate.
Optimistic, energetic, and communicative.
Strong-willed, observant, and adaptive.
Beautiful, confident, and versatile.
Creative, and easygoing, and aspiring.
Responsible, extrovert, and freedom.
Positive, responsible, and well communicated.
I'd like to describe myself in 3 words: considerate, optimistic, and energetic.
Modest, devoted, and energetic.
NJU is well known for producing some of China's best and brightest graduates.
Our students are contributing their talent, skills, and spirit wherever they go.
And for those who are seeking the right person for the right position, we are confident NJU has what you need.
Thank you for learning about us and hope we can learn about you too.
Goodbye and 再见.
Goodbye.
再见.